Good morning. Our next question is the dimension of a solid iron cube is 4.4 meter, 2.6 meter, and 1.0 meter. It is melted and recasted into hollow cylindrical pipe of 30 centimeter inner radius and thickness is 5 centimeter. Find the length of the pipe. Basically, in this question we have given a cuboid which is melted and recasted into a cylinder. So, but we know the length, breadth and height of this cuboid, so we can find out the volume of cuboid, which is length into breadth into height. So here we get the length of cuboid. Now move on to cylinder. We have not given the height of the cylinder, we need to find out. So for finding the height of this equation, we need to find the volume of the cylinder, which is equal to volume of cube. So we can use the formula of volume of cylinder, which is pi r square h. The volume of cylinder we know, pi 22 by 7 and 35 square is the inner radius and 30 is the another radius, and we divide it by 100 square because it is given in centimeter, but all these are value in meter, so we have to convert it by divided by 100, and by cross multiplication we get the height, which is 112 meter. So thank you.